Hello aspirants, welcome to AQIS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about revamping of Jallianwala Bagh complex. So recently, this complex was renovated. Although this renovation work had started in 1919, but now this renovation work is finished. It is complete now, and Prime Minister Modi invited general public to witness the inauguration of this renovated complex. But this renovation has attracted the massive criticism for the central government. So the government of India is being criticized for renovating this historical Jallianwala Bagh memorial. Some historians they are saying that this government is trying to erase the history, and already this history regarding Jallianwala Bagh has been erased by the central government. So this is how people are talking about the central government. So this is not important for your exam. From the exam's perspective, you must know what had happened at Jallianwala Bagh. So this is what we'll try to figure out in this session. So it was April 1919. Okay, let's go back to 1990. And there was a wave of discontentment against Rowlatt Act. Against Rowlatt Act. So this Rowlatt Act, it was enacted by the British. Why was it enacted? This Rowlatt Act was enacted to give immense powers to police. It means police could arrest anybody without any trial. Okay. So people were protesting against Rowlatt Act, and martial law was imposed in Punjab. And this martial law, remember, it was imposed by Michael O'Dwyer. Okay. So Michael O'Dwyer was the governor of Punjab, and he imposed martial law. And remember, the General Dyer was called for imposing this martial law. So he was supposed to impose this martial law. Now, on 13th April 1919, people had gathered at Jallianwala Bagh. You must know why. I'm going to tell you. Under this Rowlatt Act, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu, they were arrested. So they were arrested without any trial. So people they protested against the arrest of Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. So they had gathered at Jallianwala Bagh. Now this news of gathering it reached General Dyer. Okay, and General Dyer took his troops there, and he ordered his troops to fire at the crowd. And if I'm not wrong, almost 1,000 people. Although this figure might not be true, but according to the historical sources, 1,000 people were killed in this incident. In fact, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his title of knighthood against this incident. Okay. In fact, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his title of knighthood in the protest against this incident. Okay, so from the exams perspective, you must know all these details. These are very, very important. As far as the political controversy is concerned, we won't try to know much about it. But all these facts are important. Rowlatt Act, Dr. Satyapal, Saifuddin Kichlu, and this day 13th April 1919. This is also important. Okay, and let me tell you one interesting fact that British they wanted to erase the history too. Okay, they wanted to establish a cloth market there at Jallianwala Bagh, but that didn't happen. Mahatma Gandhi and Madan Mohan Malviya they collected more than 5 lakh rupees, and they converted this Jallianwala Bagh into memorial. So you must know this fact, that in fact British, they wanted to erase the history. But that didn't happen, and we have the memorial there. But this has been renovated now, and this has created the controversy. So that's all I wanted to tell you regarding this news. And I'm providing the notes also. You can download these notes. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. We upload daily current affairs on our various social media platforms. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.